हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप लोग। फ्रेंड्स, ये टॉपिक है इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ बैटरी से। इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ बैटरी से दोस्तों, इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट मैं अपलोड कर चुका हूँ अभी 2 दिन पहले। तो दोस्तों, ये उसमें 1 से 60 तक क्वेश्चन कवर किए गए, 161 तक, और इसमें 62 से 120 क्वेश्चन कवर किए जाएंगे। और यदि दोस्तों, जो कि दोस्तों आप जानते हैं बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल से है, बैटरी एंड स्टोरेज और इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस सिस्टम जो है आपका, तो ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है एग्जाम के मैं दृष्टि से यदि आप देखें तो। और बहुत ही कई बार इसके बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं। अब लेटेस्ट टीपीपीसीएल में बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे इस टॉपिक से। तो दोस्तों, बहुत ही ध्यान से आपको पढ़ना है। और यदि आपने पहला वीडियो नहीं देख रहे हैं, जो इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, नए सब्सक्राइबर वगैरह हैं और नए व्यूअर्स हैं जो इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, और तो उनका मैं चाहता हूँ छूटे ना, तो पुराना वीडियो ज़रूर देखें। ओके फ्रेंड्स, और एक खुशखबरी और है, गेट के प्रीवियस ईयर के 2001-2 से 2017 तक के ये प्रीवियस ईयर के एग्जाम पेपर हैं, क्वेश्चन पेपर हैं, वो मैंने विद आंसर अपलोड कर दिए हैं। तो आप उन्हें भी ध्यान से देखिए और पढ़िए। ओके फ्रेंड्स, और यदि आपको अच्छा लगे तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और लाइक शेयर कमेंट भी कर सकते हैं। तो शुरू करते हैं, टाइम बर्बाद ना करूं मैं आपका। 62 क्वेश्चन। सेल्स और सर्किट रिजल्ट इन लो स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, abnormal high temperature, reduced gassing on charge, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Internal resistance of a cell is reduced by using bent plug to permit gas form during discharge, increase the plate area, putting plate very close together, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Next question, 64. Capacity of a dry cell is more, option A, more when it is supplying current for intermittent period, more when it is supplying current for continuous period. Option C, unaffected by the types of discharge. Option D, none of the above. Answer is more option A. 65 question. Battery container should be acid resistant, therefore it is made up of glass, plastic, wood, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 66 question. Sulfated cells are indicated by the loss of capacity of the cell, the decrease of specific gravity, the low voltage of the cell on discharge, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 67 question. In a lead acid cell, if the specific gravity of sulfuric acid is 1.8, it will require following ratio of acid to water to get mixture of specific gravity of 1.3. Option A, 6 part of acid to 4 part of water, 4 part of acid to 4 part of water, 4 part of acid to 6 part of water, 4 part of acid to 6 part of water. Answer is 4 part acid to 6 part of water. Question number 68. Local action in a battery is indicated by excessive gassing under load condition, excessive drop in specific gravity of electrolytic even when the cell is on open circuit, both A and B, none of the above. Answer is none of the above. 69 question. Following will happen if battery charging rate is too high. Option A, excessive gassing will occur. Option B, temperature rise will occur. Vulging and buckling of plate will occur. All of the above. Answer is all of the above. 70 question. Internal resistance of a cell is due to resistance of electrolyte, electrode resistance, surface content resistance between electrode and electrolyte, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 71 question. If a battery is wrongly connected on charge, following will happen. Current delivered by the battery will be high, current drawing will be nil, Current drawing will be very small, current drawing will be very high. Answer is current drawing will be very high. 72 question. In order that a hydrometer may float vertically in electrolyte, its CG should be lowered, raised, undisturbed, displayed sideways. Answer is option A. 73 question. If a lead acid cell is discharged below 1.8 volt, the following will happen. Capacity of cell will reduce, sulfation of plates will occur, internal resistance will increase, all above will occur. Answer is all above will occur. 74 question. Life of the batteries in the following ascending order: lead acid cell, addition cell, nickel cadmium cell, lead acid cell, nickel cadmium cell, addition cell, nickel cadmium cell, lead acid cell. Option D, nickel cadmium cell, addition cell, lead acid cell. Answer is option A. 75 question. Persons preparing electrolytes should wear goggle or both face shield, goggles or other face shield, rubber boot and gloves, all above safety devices. Answer is all above safety devices. 76 question. Excessive charging of a battery tends to produce gassing, increase the internal resistance of the battery, to corrode the positive plate into lead peroxide, thereby weakening them physically, bring about all above the change. Answer is option D. 77 question. Shelf life of a small dry cell is equal to that of large dry cell, less than that of large dry cell, more than that of large dry cell. Option D, none of the above. Answer is less than that of large dry cell. 78 question. The current flow through electrolyte is due to the movement of ions, holes, electrons, none of the above. Answer is ions. 79 question. Level of electrolyte in a cell should be the level of plates below, equal to, above, none of the above. Answer is above. 80 question. During discharging, the active material of both the positive and negative plates is changed to Pb, PbO2, PbO, PbSO4. Answer is PbSO4. Dash of electrolyte indicates the state of charge of the battery. Color, mass, viscosity, specific gravity. Answer is specific gravity. The following indicate that battery on charge, the attained full charge. Color of electrode, gassing, specific gravity, all above. Answer is all above. 83 question. Dry cell is modification of Daniell cell, Leclanche cell, lead acid cell, addition cell. Answer is Leclanche cell. 84 question. Capacity of a battery is expressed in ampere hour, volt hour, watt hour, kilowatt hour. Answer is option A, ampere hour. 85 question. In alkyne cell, the electrolyte is dilute sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, NaOH, KOH. Answer is KOH. 86 question. Self charge of a nickel iron cell is dash addition cell, equal to, less than, more than, much more than. Answer is less than. 87 question. Ampere hour capacity of an industrial battery is based on dash hours. Discharge rate 8, 12, 6, 16, 24. Answer is 8 hours. 88 question. The body of addition cell is made of bakelite, rubber, nickel plate, steel, aluminium. Answer is nickel plate, steel. 89 question. Specific gravity of electrolyte in addition cell is 0.8, 0.95, 1.1, 1.21. Answer is 1.21. 90 question. All the electrical connection between the battery and vehicle should be by option A, thin aluminum wires, thin copper wire, rigid cables, flexible cable. Answer is flexible cable. 91 question. A battery of 6 cell will show a drop of dash volt from fully charged state to fully discharged state. 1 volt, 1.5 volt, 2.4 volt, 2.9 volt. Answer is 2.4 volt. 92. During the idle period of battery, a strong electrolyte tends to change the active material of the cell into PbO2, PbSO4, PbO, Pb. Answer is option B. 93 question. Charging of sulfated battery produce dash heat. No heat, very little heat, less heat, more heat. Answer is more heat. 94 question. Hydrogen evolved during charging periods. Explosive mixture. Hydrogen evolved during charging. It produces explosive mixture when it is more than 2%, 4%, 6%, 8%. Answer is 8%. 95 question. Western standard cell at 20 degree Celsius has voltage of dash volt 0.8, 0.9, 1.0187, 1.5. Answer is 1.0187. 96 question. Extent of corrosion in the underground metal work depends upon amount of moisture, type of metals, type of soil, chemicals, all above factors. Answer is all above factors. 97 question. Mercury cell has which of the following characteristic? Option A, flat discharge current voltage curve, high power to weight ratio, comparatively longer shelf life under adverse condition of high temperature and humidity. All of the above. Answer is all of the above. 98 question. Charging a sulfated battery at high rate result in option A, boiling of electrolyte due to gassing, wrapping of plates, damage to separators, cell caps cover and battery case due to excessive temperature. All above. Answer is all above. 99 question. Short circuit of a cell may be caused. Option A, buckling of plates, faulty separator, lead particle forming circuit between positive and negative plates, excessive accumulation of sediment, any of the above. Answer is any of the above. 100 question. In a battery, cover is placed covered the element and sealed to the top of battery container. This is done. Option A, to reduce evaporation of water from electrolyte, to exclude dirt and foreign matter from the electrolyte, to discharge both of the above function, to discharge none of the above function. Answer is option C. 101 question. For a cell to work, which of the following conditions becomes necessary? Option A, two electrode of different metals should be inserted in the electrolyte not touching each other. Electrolyte must chemically react with one of the electrolyte liquids or paste should be conducting. All above the three conditions are necessary. Answer is option D. 102 question. Which of the following primary cell has the lowest voltage? Lithium, zinc chloride, mercury, carbon, zinc. Answer is mercury. 103 question. Which of the following primary cell has the highest voltage? Manganese, alkyne, carbon, zinc, lithium, mercury. Answer is lithium. 104 question. While preparing electrolyte for a lead acid battery, option A, water is poured into acid is poured into water, any one of the two can be added to other chemical. Answer is option B. 105 question. Which of the following battery is used for aircraft? Lead acid battery, nickel iron battery, dry cell battery, silver oxide battery. Answer is nickel iron battery. 106 question. Which of the following cell has a reversible chemical reaction? Lead acid cell, mercury carbon, mercury oxide, carbon zinc, silver oxide. Answer is lead acid cell. Which of the following is incorrect? A storage cell has a reversible chemical reaction. A lead acid cell can be recharged. A carbon zinc cell has unlimited shelf life. A primary cell has an irreversible chemical reaction. Answer is option C. 108 question. Which of the following has lower specific gravity? Dilute H2SO4, concentrate H2SO4, water, any of the above. Answer is water. 109 question. Under normal charging rate, the charging current should be 10% of capacity, 20% of capacity, 30% of capacity, 40% of capacity. Answer is 10% of capacity. When two batteries are connected in parallel, it should be ensured that they have same EMF, they have same make, they have same ampere hour capacity, they have same identical internal resistance. Answer is option A. 111 question. A typical output of a solar cell is 0.1 volt, 0.26 volt, 1.1 volt, 2 volt. Answer is option B, 0.26 volt. 112 question. Petroleum jelly is applied to the electrical connection to the lead acid battery. Prevent local heating, prevent short circuiting, prevent path resistance, prevent corrosion. Answer is option D. When the load resistance equal to generator resistance, which of the following will be maximum? Current, efficiency of the circuit, power in the load resistance, voltage across the load resistance. Answer is power in the load resistance. 104 question. Common impurity in electrolyte of lead acid battery is chlorine, dust particle, lead crystal, iron. Answer is iron. In a lead acid battery, the energy is sorted in the form of charge ion, chemical energy, electrostatic energy, electromagnetic energy. Answer is chemical energy. 116 question. Which among the following constitute the major load for an automobile battery? Brake light, self starter, parking light, spark plug. Answer is self starter. 117 question. Which of the following factor adversely affected the capacity of the lead acid battery? Temperature of surrounding, specific gravity of electrolyte, rate of discharge, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Cells are connected in parallel. Increase the efficiency, increase the current capacity, increase the voltage output, increase the internal resistance. Answer is option B. 109 question. 119 question. A constant voltage generator has minimum efficiency, minimum current capacity, low internal resistance, high internal resistance. Answer is low internal resistance. 120 question. Satellite power requirement is provided through solar cell, dry cell, nickel cadmium cell, lead acid battery. Answer is solar cell. तो दोस्तों ये था इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ बैटरीज का फुल टॉपिक। और यदि आप ये 120 क्वेश्चन कवर कर लेंगे, पढ़ लेंगे अच्छे ढंग से, तो कोई भी आपका क्वेश्चन इस टॉपिक से नहीं छूटेगा किसी भी एग्ज़ाम में। ओके दोस्तों एक चीज़ और है, मैंने अपने चैनल में आज एक वीडियो अपलोड किया था कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस से। तो कंप्यूटर, जिसमें कंप्यूटर के क्वेश्चन हैं और पूछे जाते हैं बेसिक और फंडामेंटल कंप्यूटर से। और मैक्सिमम एग्जाम में आते हैं 1 से 2 क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं, किसी किसी में तो 5-6 क्वेश्चन होते हैं। ये सभी PSSSC में एक टॉपिक दिया गया है। तो दोस्तों आप उसे भी बहुत ध्यान से देख लीजिए, और विद आंसर के है उसमें, आपको आंसर की उसकी लास्ट में मिल जाएगी पूरा वीडियो देखने के बाद। तो थैंक यू दोस्तों। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। PKR इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग। बाय बाय।